écrivez ces phrases à la forme négative en utilisant ne pas, ne plus, ne jamais, ne que, ne pas encore, etc. Le métro de Delhi est toujours bondé. So it means the Delhi metro is always crowded. Okay, and if we are negating it, it should be like the Delhi metro is never crowded. Okay, so let's start. Le métro de Delhi. Till here we are having the subject. Now comes the verb être. Okay, so before the verb I am putting ne. It is starting with a vowel again. I am dropping e. Okay, ne. Now toujours changes into jamais. Ne jamais. Okay, bondé means the Delhi metro is never crowded. Le métro de Delhi n'est jamais bondé means the Delhi metro is never crowded. Second statement, nous mangeons des croissants au petit déjeuner means we are eating croissants for breakfast. Okay, so let's writing it in negation. Here we have the subject, then comes the verb. Okay, so before the verb we are writing ne. Now we'll write the verb. Okay, and nous mangeons des croissants au petit déjeuner. So we'll just write pas here for negating because I'm saying we do not eat croissant. Okay, after eating pas here I have been given article partitive. Again they will change into the, and I will complete the statement. Croissant au petit déjeuner. We do not eat croissant in the breakfast or for breakfast. Okay. Now the third statement, les lycéens ont déjà terminé leurs devoirs means the high school students or the secondary school students have already finished their homework. Okay. So let's start with the subject les. Now comes the verb ont. So I am putting ne before the verb. Now comes déjà, and we know that déjà always is changed into pas encore. So I will write pas encore. Now I will continue writing rest of the statement. Terminer leur devoir. Les lycéens n'ont pas encore terminé leur devoir. The students have not finished their work yet. Now the fourth statement, il y a des cerises dans la corbeille. Corbeille is basket, means there are some cherries in the basket. Now for negation it should be like there are no cherries in the basket. Okay, so let's start writing it with the subject il. Now we know that pronoun comes after ne. When you are using ne, pronouns come after ne. So again because it gives a vowel sound I am dropping e here. So I will write il n'y a pas. Again partitive is given here, so I will use de, and I will write rest of the statement. Cerises dans la corbeille. There are no cherries in the basket. Now this next statement is Akansha est toujours dans son bureau, means Akansha is still in her office, and toujours is always from the same list, the expressions that we have learnt. So let's start with the subject Akanksha. Now comes the verb être. So I will put ne before the verb, then I will write the verb. Toujours always changes into jamais. Akansha n'est jamais dans son bureau, means Akansha is never in her office. Ok, Akansha n'est jamais dans son bureau. Sixth statement, les fillettes achètent des poupées means the little girls are buying some dolls. Okay, so our subject is the little girls, les fillettes. Now comes the verb. We'll add ne before the verb. I'm dropping e, putting this sign. Okay. Now they are not buying. For not, I'll simply write pa. Again comes they here. So I will change it into the. Les fillettes n'achètent pas de poupées. Means the girls are not buying dolls. Next statement, tout le monde est venu aujourd'hui means everyone came today. Now tout le monde is written here in the beginning, so we will replace it here in the beginning because it is the subject of the statement. So in negation, while writing personne, we will write in the beginning because it will also become the subject of the statement. So we will write personne here. Personne ne, okay, because here the next word is starting with a vowel, so I need to drop this. N'est venu aujourd'hui. Okay, personne n'est venu aujourd'hui means nobody came today. Okay. Now the eighth statement, ma nouvelle montre marche bien means my new watch works well, and in negation it would be like my new watch doesn't work well. Okay, so let's start with the subject. Ma nouvelle montre. Montre is the watch, okay, and marcher is the verb. So before the verb I am putting ne. Now I will write the verb. I will write pa here after the verb, and now I am completing the statement. Bien. Ma nouvelle montre ne marche pas bien means my new watch doesn't work well. So let's start with the subject. Okay. Now comes the verb, and before the verb I need to write ne. I am dropping this e and putting this sign. Ive ne pas un garçon intelligent means Eve is not an intelligent boy. Now 10th statement, il y a de belles fleurs dans le jardin means there are beautiful flowers in the garden, and after negating it would be like there are no beautiful flowers in the garden. Okay. So again we will start with il, and again it's a pronoun here and we use ne before the pronoun. So I will write ne here, and because this pronoun e gives the sound of a vowel, so I am dropping this e. Now I will write pas de belles fleurs dans le jardin. Il n'y a pas de belles fleurs dans le jardin means there are no beautiful flowers in the garden. So this is how we form negative sentences with negative expressions. If you have any doubt or any question regarding this, do ask me in the comment section below. Thank you.